right, boys and girls, we are back, and today is Monday, April 13, and we are going to be looking at day 1. And this is also, again, using your anthology for weather and climate, and you are going to go all the way to page 10. And your assignment is this week on page 10 and page 30. So we're going to be focusing on this one. And here is your directions, some questions you're going to answer, and then do paragraph, key ideas, and main idea and key details. So I'm going to go to the presentation. I am going to allow it to read it for you. And once it's done reading, I am going to be going over, and let's see, let's do this right here. And I'm going to X out and let it read for you.
Word, study, read. Remember to annotate as you read.
Blizzard alert. Blizzards are severe winter storms. They can cover whole towns in a blanket of white snow. Blizzards have high winds, below freezing temperatures, and blinding snowfall. Some can last several days. Depending on its size and duration, a blizzard can even affect several states. One of the worst cases in U.S. history was the Great Blizzard of 1888. On March 11th and March 12th of that year, a brutal winter storm hit the Northeast. It dumped 100 to 127 centimeters, 40 to 50 inches of snow on 4 states. As a result, more than 400 people died in Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York. Huge snowdrifts buried houses and trains. 200 ships also sank at sea, covered by snow and tossed by fierce winds. At that time, people did not have any way to know how severe a storm would be. Since then, science has come a long way. Today, we can use computers and satellite images to predict where a storm will go. We can also use weather data to estimate how long a storm will last and how powerful it will be. No one can ever be certain of a storm's course. Severe weather cannot be stopped. But planning for these events is crucial. For instance, staying indoors during blizzards is recommended. Also, planning for proper snow and ice removal in these emergencies can save lives.
All right, and now I am going to stop. And hopefully here I'm back. Now, what I want you to see is that your objective, can I have one of you guys read it? Maybe Leland or Ryland, Coral, Jalen, any of you guys can read. I will be able to read to identify key details for the main idea. Now, if you notice, Miss Saldana has gone on and helped you annotate and have underlined key details. For paragraph 1, under these key details helped me form my main idea. Here's your directions. You're going to read it, answer the questions. Now, here are some of the questions. I did not copy all of them. What are blizzards? What are the features of blizzards? What is the duration and size of blizzards? If I go back and read paragraph 1, blizzards are severe winter storms. Does this help me answer one of the questions? They can cover whole towns in a blanket of white snow. Blizzards have high winds, below freezing temperatures, and blinding snowfall. Can I answer another question? Some can last several days. Do you see what I have done here, boys and girls? I have used the questions to help you find the details, which will then help you form the main ideas. So now it's your turn to go to paragraph 2, paragraph 3, finish filling in the details, and form your main ideas. Here I have let you see that you are some underline details, your main idea, underline details, finish them, and write the main idea. This is for